Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram chats fail to load earlier messages problem. Okay, let's start the video.
Now first,
Now
you
first check
check
your
mobile
Wi-Fi
phone,
or
Wi-Fi
mobile
or
data.
internet connection.
Now turn off mobile data and turn on again mobile data. The second method, open your Play Store, search Instagram, tap on Instagram and update your Instagram app. Finally, your Instagram app is updated. Now go to your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, search Instagram, tap on Instagram. Now force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage. Now tap on only clear cache. Open your Instagram app, tap on message icon. Now send message any person. Finally, I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.